We are making a mad dash for West Texas. We thought we weren't going to get a hike in for this 44th anniversary weekend. So we're about 2 hours from Carlsbad, and tomorrow we will be in Guadalupe National Park. Yay. So we sat at a stoplight with zero traffic. You ready to hike to the top of Texas?
Yes.
Going rain or shine? We are about to fill our bladders up and then take off up Guadalupe. Later start than we wanted, but we're gonna get it done, slow and steady. We've got plenty of water.
Waiting on a woman.
The trail does not disappoint. We are further up each step of the way.
You need to tell everybody how we came about this.
How we came about this? What do you mean? Because it's our anniversary, or what part do you mean?
We decided to throw everything in the car and drive 6.5 hours.
Well, we've always had an anniversary hike, and I was so disappointed because I thought I was going to have a procedure that was going to prevent it. And then she told me I was not prevented from hiking today if I felt like it. And here I am.
A couple of days later.
This is the Guadalupe Peak Trail on the AllTrails app. And you can see here that the length of the trail is 8.1 miles. That's out and back. The elevation gain is 2,949 feet. And they do have a preview of the trail, 3D, going up the mountain. And I will put that at the end of the video if you want to see it. We found a very nice
Place to stop
and breathe for a few seconds.
Howdy. We're
going up.
We're trying to suck in all this shade right here.
We break every time we can.
The weather app lied. Said it was only going to be in the mid-80s. Not sure you can see all this, but you can see some of the switchbacks here coming up. And here she comes, trudging up the trail. All right, Max, smile. Max is trying out the poles here. We're at a good stopping spot. You can see where we had a little snack right here.
Yeah, but it's gonna mess up my audio.
What?
Messing up my audio. No. I don't care about my hair. I care about my audio.
Right.
We are having an amazing day. You can hear some rolling thunder, but it's just one little cloud. And we're coming down the cliff part where the bridge is. There we go. There's a foundation there for this bridge. It's kind of cool. It's really cool, actually. Let me get out here on the edge. There we go. Now you can see how they built this bridge here. because people were having a hard time getting there. That is cooling our day off for sure. Cool bridge. Very cool bridge. I'm with you.
You okay?
Yeah, all good. This coolness is amazing.
All these clouds, look how dark they're getting back over this.
Easy little section here. Thought I would film it since I can breathe.
You can hear those clouds building. This is where we came, hiked down, came down that bridge, came across, and then we were hiking along here and made our way up to this point.
We're almost there.
We are almost there.
Guadalupe Peak's just...
Can you give me a thumbs up? All right.
Here's our view. It's a beautiful Saturday afternoon with scattered thunderstorms.
You see it
And
raining
we're-
off in the distance over there.
Yep. Go ahead. I'll be right behind you. Wow.
You saw the flats up there.
We are not to the top yet, but we have some beautiful views for sure. My watch wants to know if I want to pause just ever so briefly. Thank you.
If you look back to your right, you'll see all the agriculture from Dale City.
Yes, dear. Lead on. We're about to get rained on, but I thought this grass and this tree was just beautiful.
Right behind you.
Hang on. What is that?
I don't know unless it's for tying the horses up.
Really, they ride horses up here? That's hard to believe. But maybe they do. We have made it. The day after our anniversary. Instead of on our anniversary. But that's okay. I just thought about the metal poles in my hand. They do have rubber on them, but probably not enough. We are on the top of Texas. Yay! God is good. And I am in heaven. Keep thinking we're going to get wet, but we have not yet. We are now headed down. You see all these little outcroppings. People go sit on those. I would like to, but my husband would tell me I don't have time. And you see the little pools of water. It rained last night up here, and there's pools of water in the rock pillars. Super cool. Hands work better here than poles, in my opinion. Feels good. Wind blowing through the trees. Beautiful, beautiful. Doing switchbacks down off the mountain. Yeah, I just kicked a rock. Nothing but a little pain. Since I kicked a rock and I was talking about pain, might as well tell y'all in case anybody's wondering. I have in the past lost 2 of my big toenails. First from our hike to Machu Picchu in Peru, and then from our Georgia AT section hike. Note the solo hiking boots. Who can guess what's in my laces? And I have learned that I have to wear my shoes full size and a half larger than I normally wear. And as long as I do that, and my toes can fully spread out in my shoe, which you can see I have a lot of extra room in my shoe, then I have no problems with my feet. I don't have problems with plantar fasciitis, which I have always had, and I don't lose toenails. Probably wouldn't work for everybody, but that's what works for me. It's so beautiful today, and I feel blessed and honored to be here at the highest place in the state of Texas. Hope you're enjoying the video. And I have caught up with my hubby, who is waiting for me patiently, right?
Absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
When they start rattling, you think they will, though.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Just too beautiful. About to get the GoPro out again, even though we're hurrying to get down. It's about 7:30. I just love the views.
Let's go. Come on, let's just show everybody how you learned how to use that pole.
Here is the preview trail that AllTrails provides.